In a world facing increasing natural and human-made challenges, how we manage risks has never been more critical. Yet many governance systems still rely on outdated single-hazard approaches that often fall short of addressing the complexity of today's interconnected threats. The MEDiate, a European Horizon project, brings experts together and aims at transforming governance from single-hazard approach model to integrated multi-hazard and risk-informed system for enhanced local and regional disaster risk management. At MEDiate, we are developing innovative tools and frameworks to support this transformation, making governance systems more resilient and adaptive. Disasters are complicated and often cause a chain reaction of problems that go beyond the initial event. The single-hazard approach tackles one disaster at a time, in isolation, such as a flood, an earthquake, or a wildfire. For instance, flood management plans may address heavy rainfall, but ignore how such events can also trigger landslides or overwhelm storm drainage systems. By focusing narrowly, single-hazard approaches, by overlooking interconnections between hazards and simplifying risk assessment, can't address chain reaction and cause a fragmented response. For example, during the 1987 storm in Oslo, heavy rainfall and storm surges combined to cause widespread damage. Addressing each hazard separately would miss the larger picture of compounding risks. This isolated approach can lead to inefficiencies, increased costs, and vulnerabilities in disaster response. A multi-hazard approach, on the other hand, considers how different hazards interact over time and space. For example, it examines how earthquakes might weaken slopes, increasing the likelihood of landslides, or how heat waves can increase droughts and wildfires. This approach integrates risks, anticipates cascading impacts, and optimizes resources. It enables us to prepare for and respond to complex overlapping threats more effectively. The MEDiate project is at the forefront of advancing multi-hazard strategies. By integrating advanced frameworks, it maps interactions between hazards to deliver comprehensive risk and resilience metrics. With climate change increasing the frequency and intensity of disasters, it's more important than ever to shift to multi-hazard planning. Join us in exploring a safer and more resilient future of risk governance with MEDiate.